Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm showing you how to remove the factory airbox on the 7th gen Maxima, and also how to remove and replace the factory airbox bracket. So I'm gonna set you on the tripod. Alright, now we're gonna remove the hose clamp. You can use a flathead or you can use an 8mm socket. Alright, now we're going to use a 10mm socket and remove the bolt holding down the bottom of the stock airbox. Alright, now we're going to use a 10mm socket and remove the bolt. Alright, now we're going to put the new bracket in and put the 10mm nuts back on. Alright, now we're going to put the stock airbox back in and do everything in reverse. So, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.